What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to install Messenger. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then search here Messenger. Now click on Messenger and then click on install. After clicking on install, it will start your install link. Now here you can see Messenger will be installed in my device, and here you can see your Messenger on home screen. Here you can enter your account and log in your Messenger. So this is the way to install Messenger. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.